How do I make a sentence outline? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the writing process? Creating a sentence outline can help you organize your thoughts clearly. Let's break down how to make one step by step. First, start by identifying the main points you want to cover in your writing. These points will form the backbone of your outline. Think about the key ideas that support your overall message. Next, label each main point with Roman numerals. For example, use I, Roman T, triple, and so on. This method helps you keep your ideas organized and easy to follow. Now let's add some depth. For each main point, include subpoints using capital letters. These subpoints should elaborate on your main ideas. For instance, if your main point is about study techniques, a subpoint could discuss time management strategies. If you need to break down those subpoints even further, use Arabic numerals. This means you will label them as 1, 2, 3, and so forth. This system allows you to create a clear hierarchy of information. The most important aspect of a sentence outline is to write in full sentences. Each point should be a complete thought. This approach not only clarifies your ideas but also helps you develop well-structured paragraphs when you start writing. Once you have your outline, take a moment to review it. Ensure that your ideas flow logically from one point to the next. Each sentence should support your main idea and contribute to your overall thesis. Using a sentence outline can also improve your study techniques. It provides clarity and focus, helping you stay on track. You will find that having a structured outline saves time during the writing process. With a clear roadmap, you can write more efficiently. Additionally, writing in full sentences helps maintain a consistent tone throughout your work. This technique can be especially helpful for those who learn best through reading and writing. By organizing your thoughts in this way, you can enhance your writing skills and boost your confidence. So, if you want to make a sentence outline, remember these steps. Identify your main points, use Roman numerals, add subpoints with capital letters, and break those down with Arabic numerals. Write in full sentences and review your work for clarity. With practice, you will find this method becomes a powerful tool in your writing arsenal.